In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping and return policies in Google Merchant Center. Next, providing a full guide that will walk you through the process step by step. If you're a business owner looking to streamline your operations and enhance your customers' shopping experience, this tutorial is just for you. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to access your Google Merchant Center account. Open your browser and type www.google.com/retail. Once there, click on the Sign In button and select the option to sign in to Merchant Center. After signing in, you'll see a left side panel where you can manage your account settings. From this panel, select Shipping and Returns. Now let's set up your shipping information. Begin by clicking on Add Shipping Policy. This is where you'll determine where you're willing to ship your products. Choose the countries to which you'd like to ship and ensure you specify the currency in which you operate. It's crucial that the currency matches that of your product feed to prevent any confusion or discrepancies later. Next, you'll need to configure your delivery times. This involves manually setting critical details. Firstly, establish your order cutoff time. For example, this could be 3 p.m. Then define your handling time, often set as 1 business day, and your transit time such as 2 to 5 business days. Don't forget to also specify holiday shipping cutoffs to accommodate major holidays. Moving on to shipping costs, choose a method that aligns with your business model. You have several options here. You can offer free shipping on all products or implement free shipping for orders over a certain amount. Alternatively, use range-based shipping costs depending on the order value, charge a flat rate for all orders, or use carrier calculated shipping, which will show real-time rates from carriers. Once your shipping settings are all in place, it's time to shift gears towards setting up your return policies. Still in the shipping and returns section, click on the Returns Policy tab. Begin by adding a new policy. Select the specific program your policy will apply to, such as shopping ads, and the country where this policy will be in effect. Then provide the URL of the return policy that is available on your website. This is important as it guides your customers on how to process returns. Clearly specify whether you accept returns, the return window, like a 30-day period, the return methods available, whether by mail or in-store, and any return fees that may apply. If you charge a restocking fee, make sure to indicate this as well. Lastly, it's important to review all entered information for accuracy before finalizing it. Once you're satisfied with your setup, click Done to save your return policy, and there you have it. You've successfully set up your shipping and return policies in Google Merchant Center Next. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or comments below.